Taffy, bye.
Breadfruit roasting on an open fire.
Every morning, Daddy, you wake up with the nice place.
Me done it about 42. Everybody know they eat nice when you ripe and you fry it down in a pork eye. I hope my neighbors on their way with lots of cake and sorrel, I pray.
Daddy, how much Christmas, Daddy? Yes, Junior. How much Christmas in a year? One Christmas, Junior.
You sure, Daddy?
Yes, me sure. Jesus only born one time, and as a result, we celebrate his birthday one time. Why? Yeah? Or because you're broke, Daddy. What you mean? How my finances coming at this, Junior? Because my rich friend said him and his mother gonna have 3 Christmas this year. Your rich friend. You know what? Give me a friend number. You could call him. Right now. But Daddy, it's true. It's true, Daddy. But me not have no credit, Daddy. Give me a friend number, let me call him. Cause you never have credit yet. Huh? And you can't talk about me, bro. You don't want nobody take it on, you know, eat that more than you already eat already. Give me a number. 1, 2. 1, 2. No, Daddy, me say 1, 2, Daddy. Then that me have. How you me hear you put in 2 number, Daddy? How you get 2 out of 1, Daddy? Junior, word of advice to you, see? Careful how you talk to me. Cause I might show you how you get 5 out of 1. A matter of fact, give me the phone, make me put in the number myself. Because me no want have to. Just give me the phone and put in the number. So 2, 4, 4, 4. Not see. Tell me something, you see? Why you tell me like a loggerhead boy when me have I said a 3 Christmas in a 1 year? Oh, so alright, nothing. Nobody done me credit here. Junior, you must listen when time people are talk to you now. The young man saying never tell about no 3 Christmas. He tell you say him and his mother go get Christmas tree this year. Daddy. Are you not listen, Daddy? Are you not listen? In say him and his mother go have 3 Christmas tree this year. 1, 2, 3, Daddy. You not listen? Come like say. Right. I'll make sure you tell Jesus I'm sending you up there too.
Taffy, bye.